Carlin, we often get asked, like, what's our best orgasm experience? So think of like all the orgasms that you've had with partners, and think of all the orgasms you've had by yourself, solo sex. Would you say that your best orgasms, like just like your best memories, the greatest number, is it with partners or is it when you're solo?
Oh, everyone thinks you're going to say something like, "Oh, I was having this throuple in Paris," or "I was at
Right.
this orgy in Ibiza." It's solo pleasure in the
Yes.
circle in a group of women, and I'm going to tell you why. There's something about us all together
Hmm.
stimulating our bodies to orgasm and feeling that energy go through our bodies because you're sharing that sex energy outside
Yes.
of romantic love. And so what you'll be
Yes.
in the circle, you'll be building up to an orgasm, you're stimulating and you hear a woman, an authentic orgasm build up, the
Right.
sounds. And all of a sudden your orgasm just pops out of your body.
Yes. Yes.
It's incredible. So, Laura, I'm going to pose the same question to you.
Hmm. I would say my most satisfying orgasms are solo and also in the circle, because when I'm in the circle, I'm motivated to keep going. And it's a space of non judgment and acceptance. And I'm not responsible for anyone else's orgasm. When I'm having sex with a partner, there always seems judgment,
Expectations.
responsibility, expectation. It always seems to like creep in, even if I try to keep it out. And so it just, and not to say that I have not had enjoyable partner sex experiences, I have. But there's nothing like being in the supportive space of a body sex circle where I'm self pleasuring. Everyone there, like, we're high fiving each other if somebody has an orgasm. We're laughing. It's joy.
That's exactly it.
Hmm.
It's joyful, it's safe, you can explore, you can be
Hmm.
inspired, and I don't know, camaraderie with other women.
Hmm.
Sharing sex energy with other women, not sex acts,
Right.
not where it gets into partnering and performance and all that comes into play. Just
Hmm.
sharing sex energy with other women. I swear to you, it's why Betty lived to 91. It
Yes.
renews our souls in a very special way.
It's primal. I mean, it's something that we all need. Yeah, definitely, definitely. I always feel uplifted after a circle, and I can't wait to get back to another one. So, Carlin, when's our next body sex circle?
November 7th and 8th in Cleveland, Ohio. You can go to bodysex.com/workshop. We'd love to see you there. We're only having one workshop this year because travel has been a little bit of a challenge, but I can't wait. I look forward to it because any woman who
Mhm.
ends up in the circle is fantastic and amazing. And I always say body sex ruins you for regular friendships
Mhm.
because the
Yes.
women are so phenomenal.
Yes, yes. I can't wait.